Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, boy, do I have a good baking deal for you guys today. So before I get into the video, all I need you guys to do is hit that subscription button right down at the bottom or to the side, whichever way you're watching this video, whether it's on a phone or whether it is on your computer. And if you're watching me on Facebook, please hit that follow button. And then we'll get right into the deals. But if you hit those buttons, guys, that way you get notified every time I put up a new video or show a new deal and you won't miss out. And for those of you that are new to couponing, that way you can follow me and you can do the little small deals and eventually become a very experienced couponer. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in again. Thank you for being dedicated to my channel. I am working towards reaching 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and 6,000 followers on Facebook. So I really appreciate it if you guys hit that follow button as well as the subscription button. It really helps me out a lot with hitting my goals, and I really, really, really appreciate you. So guys, let's jump right into the deal. So you have to make sure that you have the DG app downloaded so that you can check the prices. And the reason I say check the prices is because when you go into the stores, some of the prices are different than on the shelf as to what they really are in actuality. So I always scan my products to make sure that I have the correct price. Then you want to make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. We're going to submit our receipt to get some Ibotta rebates. And if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. You can still download it and still take advantage of this deal. But what's nice is that if you are a first-time Ibotta user, when you submit your receipt, you're going to get the rebates back for these products, plus you're going to get an extra $10. So basically, that will make this a moneymaker for you. And then when you share your link with all your friends and family, when they redeem their first rebate, they get $10 and you get $10. So a great way to build up your rainy day fund for couponing, or just to have extra money to get started for couponing. Then you want to also download the Fetch app. Fetch is going to give us some extra points. Plus, there is a special rebate that we're going to build up to get some extra points on Fetch. And with Fetch, you use those points to redeem gift cards. And then you can use those gift cards to coupon, give us Christmas presents, birthday presents, graduation presents, get gas, do whatever you want to do. So guys, we're going to jump right into this deal. So as you can see, I have all Brady, I can't even talk. Can't see, can't talk. That's why I took my glasses off so I could clean my glasses. But I don't know what I'm going to do about not being able to pronounce words. I can't do anything about that, right? But start all over. So as you can see, we have all Betty Crocker products. So this is basically a Betty Crocker haul. So you want to go into the store and you want to grab 2 of each of these products. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab 2 of these Betty Crocker frostings. Now, the frostings are regularly $2, but this week they are on a promotion with an instant save. So they are 2 for $3.50. Your store may not be tagged, and it may be tagged. I'm not sure. Every store is different. My store was not tagged, but when I scanned these into the DG app, they came up 2 for $3.50. So it's an instant savings of 50 cents when you buy 2. So you're going to pay $3.50 at the register. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta is going to give you 75 cents back for buying 2. So that's going to bring your total down to $2.75 or $1.38 for each one of these frostings. I think that's an excellent deal. A great way to give kids frosting to play in if they're making cakes or cupcakes or whatever they're going to do, or an excellent stock-up price or excellent price to put them in gift baskets, baking baskets, or whatever you want to end up using these for. Then you want to grab 2 of these cookie mixes. Now, you need to be really careful with these cookie mixes. So please pay attention to this because I don't want you guys to get the wrong thing and then not get your money back. So when you look at the cookie mixes, I know they have a peanut butter kind that is $1.25, and they have the chocolate chip kind that's $1.25. For some reason, and I'm not sure if it's not supposed to work or it is supposed to work, but when I scan in the peanut butter bag, it doesn't work. It says barcode doesn't match, and which were the peanut butters were $1.25. But when I scanned in the chocolate chip, those did work. The chocolate chip bags for $1.25. Now, the other thing that you want to watch out, don't just go grabbing the chocolate chip bags. There's actually two different sizes for the chocolate chip cookies. There's the one for $1.25, and then there's also one for $2.25. Now, either one of those will work with the Ibotta rebate, but I went the cheapest route and got the ones for $1.25 because to me, that is the best bang for your buck with the rebate that we're going to submit for in the Ibotta app. So let me show you guys that Ibotta rebate, and just keep in mind, it does say that it excludes the Reese peanut butter cup cookie mix, and on that peanut butter bag, it does not say Reese peanut butter cookie mix. So I don't know if the regular peanut butter cookies are supposed to count or not. I just know that it says barcode doesn't match. And then it also excludes the cinnamon toast crunch cookie mix. So I don't know if there's more cookie mixes out there that Dollar General has in this size. Those were the only two that my store has. So those were the only ones that I could scan. But you do have to purchase two of them. And when you purchase two, you're going to get $1 back. So at the register, these are $1.25 each. That's going to be $2.50. You're going to get $1 back. So that means two bags are going to cost you $1.50, 75 cents a bag. Pretty good deal, right? Okay, so now let's go to our next deal, which are the muffin mixes. Now, with the muffin mixes, there's a couple of different ways you could do this. You can get the muffin mix in the box. You can get the muffin mix in the bags. You can get, and you don't have to get muffin mix for this particular rebate in Ibotta. You can actually get brownie mix or cake mix. So the rebate is for Betty Crocker cake, muffin, or brownie mixes. It does exclude the Betty Crocker Reese's baking products and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch baking products, as well as the Betty Crocker muffin top mix. So these are not the muffin top mix. These are just the regular muffins, all right? And these were $1.25 each. Excuse me, these were $1 each. I'm sorry. The tag on the store said $1.25, but when I scanned it in the app, it came up $1. So these were $1 each. And what I did, my store had two different muffin flavors. I don't know, your store may have more, but mine had two. So I got the two different ones. Okay. So I paid $2 at the register, but then look, Ibotta gave me 50 cents back. So that means I paid $1.50, 75 cents for each one of these muffin mixes. Now you might say, well, why didn't you get the cake mix or the brownie mix? I didn't get that because the cheapest way to go is really with the brownies, because the cake mix is like $2 a piece, $2.50, $2.75. So I went the cheapest route. Now, why did I go the cheapest route also? Not just because I didn't want to put a lot of money out of pocket, but because I'm going to use these things for my baskets. I make kitchen baskets as well as baking baskets, and they go really fast. And these are some of the things that I put in my baskets, and people love them, because normally when they're buying those baking baskets and kitchen baskets from me, they're giving them to like teenagers or kids for activities or new bakers and things like that. So these are the perfect products for them to get started. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt so that you can see how everything went. Here's my receipt. There's the vanilla icing for $2, and you see the 50-cent discount because they're going to be well, they're supposed to be 2 for $3. I don't know why I only got a 50-cent discount, but I don't know. I just noticed that. No, yeah, they're 2 for $2.50. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say 2 for $3. The icing is 2 for $2.50. So we actually paid $3.50 at the register, and then we got $1 back, so we paid $2.50 for each one. I guess I said that right, and then it said they cost $1.25 each. So I apologize for that. So those are my my frostings, the vanilla and the chocolate. And then next you see the muffin pouch for $1, and then the triple berry muffin pouch for $1, and then the 2 chocolate chip cookies for $2.50. My total is $8. And then here you see I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $2.25. I'll show you all of my rebates. See, I got back a total of $2.25. I hope you guys can see that. So I got back the 50 cents for the muffin mix. I got back $1 for the cookies, and I got back 75 cents for the icing. So then that brought my out-of-pocket for down to $5.75 for all of this. This is also good, guys. You know, the kids are getting out of school. They're going to want to make snacks. They're going to need activities. And these are really easy things. The cookies and the muffins are really easy things that you can do with them. Quick, cheap activities. So, guys, that is my haul. I hope that you're able to go out and do these deals. Grab you a couple of things to make for family night, movie night, whatever you want to do. But let me know down below if you were able to take advantage of the deal. Oh, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you. So I told you to make sure that you download your Fetch app, right? Well, the reason why I wanted you to download your Fetch app is because Fetch has a special rebate that's going on where if you spend $35 in General Mills products, you get $2.50 back, which is 2,500 points. Okay. And you see that pink line, that means it adds up. So you don't have to spend it all on one receipt. You could do it on a couple different receipts, and it just adds up for you. And that's what I'm actually doing. So that's why I wanted you to make sure that you downloaded the Fetch app. So that's it, guys. So until the next time, keep on saving.